Hi everyone, and welcome to Belinda's DIYs. So today I am going to take you in my journey of redoing my craft room walls. So I'm gonna make it over and give it a brand new look. Okay, so this is the wall I'm gonna be working on, and I'm going to be adding some pegboard, so that's the reason why there is already a piece of wood there that I had already put on there, and it's just a 1x1, and all I'm going to do is just space them out and nail them to the wall. And the reason is because I need some room from the wall to the pegboard. That way when my hooks go in, there is some clearance between the pegboard and the wall, if that makes sense. So I did make sure that I used a stud finder, and so there I have found one. So I'm gonna go ahead and nail the second board. So once I had all the pieces of wood nailed onto the wall where I wanted them to be, it was time for me to put my pegboard up against them. And here is your girl struggling with these pegboards, but I still did it. And so here I come in with the second board, and just an FYI, I did have them cut this in half at the lumber place that I went to, because it was too big for me to bring it in my car, so I needed it to be cut down to size, but also so when I would put it up in the wall, it'd be easier for me. Okay, so once I had both boards exactly where I wanted them to be, I started to nail them down. So now it was time to paint my pegboard, and I chose the color white. I do want to coordinate black and white on this pegboard. I just wanted to look nice and fresh, so that's why I chose white. At the lumberyard, they did not have pegboard in the color white or black. I know they sell it like that, but they didn't have any. They only had brown. And I wanted this done now, so I couldn't wait to go and find some white pegboard. So that's why here I am painting it. And this is how it turned out with 2 coats of paint. So here I'm just showing you that I've already added some hooks where I'm going to be hanging some items. And these are from the Dollar Tree. These long ones right there are so that I could hang some shelves, and those are not from Dollar Tree. Those I had to buy them at the lumber yard. These round ones right here are from Dollar Tree. Now I'm ready to start hanging all my things there on my new pegboard wall. Now this right here is a Dollar Tree round wreath that looks almost like a wheel. Now what I did is I put some of those miniature clothespins, and what I'm going to use this for is maybe to add some notes whenever I need to remind myself of a DIY that might be coming up, or just things like that. That's what I'm going to use that for. I'm going to be using these cups right here, and these are at Dollar Tree. These are the soap dispensers and also the toothbrush holders. I was needing some cups that would fit perfectly on the round rings that I put on my pegboard, and let me show you. They were the perfect size and they fit perfectly. So here I was able to store some pencils, some paint brushes, and also some paint sponges. I created this about a year ago or so, so I'm going to be using this welcome sign, and I'm going to place it up at the top. I'm going to be using these black Dollar Tree bins, and what I love about them is that they are black, so they go perfect with my color scheme. This was a simple and quick note holder that I made with just a Dollar Tree ring wreath. If you're interested in seeing my whole craft room, let me know down below. This welcome sign right here was made with this same wire wreath. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day.